back with another banger.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another banger.
Yeah, that's good.
No, it's not. That's stuttering to me.
What? So how would you say it?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Yeah.
What you got?
I don't like the Prince thing. They be doing those challenges.
What's up, T.C.F gang? And we back with another
Whoa.
banger.
T.C.F. I mean, you said
T.C.A.
Yeah, T.C.A.
What's up, T.C.F gang? And we back with another banger.
What's up, T.C.F gang? And we back with another banger.
Yeah.
And we put the.
Yeah. What you got?
What's up? Daddy, I know what Daddy got. Daddy got. We both with another burger.
What's up, T.C.F gang? And we back.
Maybe 60 years it be.
What's up, T.C.F gang? We back with another banger.
Right through there.
Yeah.
Back. Y'all like that? Back, back.
I like
Y'all
that.
like that shit? Ah, that's like that. Back.
Maybe you should say YouTube and not T.C.F.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another banger. Like that.
Okay, now like this.
Like that. Why I can't do that?
And not yell, actually, mommy. Don't yell.
No.
What's on then?
Do this.
Okay, not that. That's good. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another one. And I'm here today with y'all the day before my birthday, showing you a gift that I just got gifted with, something that I have been wanting for a very long time. My husband took me to Best Buy and he got me an Oculus Quest 2. This is a virtual reality gaming set. I'm going to be opening this with you all today. And I want to say thank you to my husband for getting this for me. Get the fuck. You got it.
Don't have a bag big enough for this, unfortunately.
That's fine.
Don't need
You
one.
guys can get an email receipt from pickup. Have fun with that.
All right.
I'm about to cry. Take it off.
Yeah. Yeah, we living like that. Yeah.
This is something, like I said, that I've been wanting for a very long time. I went to Best Buy even to just play around with it. So I think he knew that I really wanted this gift, and I'm so thankful to be getting this. So this is the Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg had a hand in this again. Make you think like those movies where the headset get caught on your face and then you start to get sucked into like a different type of virtual reality, and robots and zombies and all of that type of stuff come out. So inside the box, it says that it has a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, a power adapter, a glasses spacer for people like me with glasses, and a charging cable. This is the 64 gig, so I should be able to download a decent amount of games to this. Again, this is how the front looks. Facebook, this is how it looks. And on the top part right here, that might be upside down to y'all if the cameras will focus. You can see what's in it and what it comes with. On the back, it has a Star Wars game, a climbing game, which is like climbing a mountain. It's a Jurassic Park game, Beat Saber. That might be something like for music or for dance or something like that. What is this? Population 1, I think this is a game where you're like walking on the side of a building. I know my kids want to play that game. And this one is called Horizon. I can't really tell what that is, but it look like maybe you off in a different type of space or something like that. But yeah, I mostly wanted it for games like yoga and to like meditate and be off in like a different world. It's something that'll just where I can just rest and do something physical as well, and just enjoy myself when I'm off or don't got no schoolwork or something like that to do. So let's get into opening it. Yeah, true. Looking at me, here's the fan. Come on with it. No, it's not on pause actually, but that's okay because this part is gonna be. Goddamn. This part is gonna be fast forwarded.
Yeah, you can see me.
They gonna see me struggling.
The thing working?
Whoa. He's gonna have thing on the ground. I thought you had me shoes.
So this is what it looks like when you take it out. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. It's just a brown box with the O on it. Ooh. Yee.
Period.
Okay. So on the inside, it has some instructions on how to put the batteries in, how to turn it on. You have to hold the power button for 2 seconds. As I stated earlier, it takes AA battery. All right, y'all. So it also shows you how to put the headband on. So when you're moving and jumping around, the headband that's attached to the glasses, it won't fly off. So you can adapt it with certain spots, in certain spots. This is the remote. And it has a little sticker that you can pull out. I'm assuming the batteries already came in it as well. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, it did. It said it was included. So you see this little tab right here. So you'll just pull it out. It says to pull it out. Okay. All right. So you pull those out. And it lit up. The remote lit up. See if y'all can see it when I pull this one out. See that light? It blinks on. So that shows that there is batteries in it and it's on. Okay. So move lenses left to right to find clearest view. So it says here to move the lenses left to right to find the clearest view so that you'll be able to see. This is the headband. And these are like the lenses and goggles. Let's see. If you all can see that, it has tape on it, and you'll just take the tape off so you'll be able to see. No sunlight on lenses is what's on the sticker. That's how it looks when you take the sticker off. Those are the lenses. And as well, this is the glasses spacer. So I suppose you can snap this in. So like if you wear glasses like this, you'll be able to, it comes with the instructions as well on how to use the glasses spacer. If you can see that. And it's another little white box in here, which I think this may be the charger. Yep. Comes like a regular Samsung charger. And it also comes with a box. And it comes with a little booklet. And this is a warranty guide. So if anything goes wrong with it, I think it gives a warranty, or it shows you how to go about using your warranty. And then this is like a reference guide on like how to use the Oculus and stuff like that. It shows you how to turn it on, how to get started, and it has pictures in it as well, so it's easy to understand if you comprehend in a different type of way from pictures, or you can also read it. So we're gonna close the box up and put it to the side and put this on and check it out. I think I'm gonna take my glasses off though. I can't see nothing. It's pitch black. And as you can see, it's a little tight, so I'm gonna adjust it a little bit, and it's probably because of my braid. So I can see all you gotta do is adjust these straps in the back. If you want to tighten it up, you pull it apart, and if you want to loosen it up, you pull it straight. So I'm gonna loosen it up because, like I said, my braids, if y'all can see that, so it makes it like that for me. And it's pretty comfortable on the face. It's real soft. Like I said, it's no light coming through. And let's turn it on. If I can find a button. Found it. Okay. It's not coming on. Oh no, that's not the power button, dude. Oh, as a matter of fact, now that I take this paper off, make sure you take the paper off before you put it on as well. Don't be like me. So that's the power button. And these little dots right here are your cameras, so that it also shows like if you get close to something so you don't bump it or nothing like that. That's what these little cameras around the sides are for. To watch your perimeter so you don't bump into nothing or fall, so you can be safe. This is the power button, and this is the volume button. You got up and you got down. So let's try to put this on again and see. Okay. All right, it's on. So when it first come on, you see the Oculus circle. It's 3 loading bubbles. Oh, it tells me where the remotes is without me even having to look for them. Remotes is down here. Wow. It's like holding 2 swords almost. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to put my glasses on, y'all. I see why they got the glasses space right now. I can't see a thing. English. And it's a girl in here with blue and pink hair that's saying check the clarity. So I had to pause it and go get my glasses and put the glasses filler on. So now that I'm able to see and I got it positioned to where that I can see, the next question is asking to check clarity and adjust the headset on your face until you see the screen clearly. After you can see it clearly, now I can. The clarity is excellent. I press continue. They say that you can move the lens out, adjust it for spacing. Let's see. Oh. So right here, it goes in. It has 3 little clicks. You can move them in or out. So let's see which setting I like. I'm gonna move them all in first. All right, now that I've adjusted my lenses, I'm gonna press continue. Please stay seated for step 1. Find a seat with space to move your arms before continuing. Okay. All right, y'all. So we in a step now where it's time to get physical. So I'm gonna end this video right here, and comment down below and let me know if you got one, and when you got it, how did you feel about this, and if you liked it or not. I think that I'm going to enjoy this, and I would actually like for my whole family to get one so that I can play with them too. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite games are on it. If you got it, let me know some secrets to it and just some things about it that I may not have found yet. Just comment down below and let me know how you feel about it. Also comment down below and let me know how you feel about this video, and if you would like me to do more videos just introducing certain things on this channel, period. Also, I'm finna go have fun with my new Oculus VR set. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can be notified every time we post a video.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Yeah.